Hey there, and welcome back on English Annex, where you are going to learn in today's video so many vocabularies that I know you will be interested in. As you can see it here, ou wala apprendre ces deux mots, par exemple, pour dire moun ki gosore, ou wala apprendre comment pour dire moun ap gaspiller un bagay. Eh bien, m'gade connaît peut-être ou pas connaît yo, mais rete là jusqu'à ce que vidéo a fini pour que ou capable apprendre ça yo avec. On va aller directement dans la vidéo. As you can see it here, we say master English vocabulary. On va maîtriser mots ça yo en anglais, guys. Here we have the word rebel. The first is
rebel.
Rebel. Here we say rebel. Rebel. What does that mean exactly? If somebody is rebel. If you're rebel, that means you act differently from other people. Son moun ki toujou agi différent de l'autre monde. Son moun ki pa suivre règle, ki pa suivre principe, ça que yo dit fè a, li wè c'est on l'autre bagay pour le faire, ou capable di ah, mon cher, moun sa son rebelle. Ou ka di petit frère nan son rebelle li. Ou ka di my little brother is a rebel. Ça di petit frère sa li pa attendre pièce moun, ou met di pas faire ça, li même c'est ça, li wè pour le faire. Alright, you say rebel when somebody is different from the other people. And the second, we have the word squander. This is pronounced like
Squander.
Squander. Squander. What does that mean exactly? If you squander like money, resources, or opportunities. If you squander something, that means you waste it. And by the waste, je connais déjà, c'est gaspiller. So, wap gaspiller un bagay, ça veut dire ou mal utiliser yo. Ça veut dire, genre ou ta utiliser là ou pas utiliser comme ça, ou utiliser le mal, et bien là, par exemple, gaspiller. You say you squander something or you just waste it. Like, for example, tout d'abord gérer l'argent pour faire une activité bien spécifique, ou même ou prendre l'argent ça ou font l'autre bagay avec. The other person, oh, you squander our money, or you squander my money. Okay? L'argent moun ete bon pour faire activité ou pas faire ou faire pour avec, ou bien ou faire l'autre bagay qui pas dans plan, là, you can say you squander money. Like, you can say, Haitian government squandered Petro-Caribbean money. And the third, we have the word reject. This word is, for instance,
Reject.
Reject. Reject. What does that mean exactly if you reject something? If you reject an idea or an offer, that means you don't accept it. If you do not accept something, you just reject it. So you don't agree with something, you just reject it. Parce que ou pas d'accord avec, ou pas vle, ou pas besoin, or you don't want it, or you don't need it, you just reject it. Tout ça que ou pas besoin, on moun vin offrir, que ou dit ah, m'pas besoin là, you say reject. And here we have the number 4, we have the word vow.
Vow.
This is so easy to say, easy to pronounce. We say vow. What does that mean? As you can see it here, we say j'irai. Ou bien c'est ça que nous sommes capables de parler pour nous dire un monde prend un engagement. So if you vow, that means you make a serious promise. Par exemple, les deux moun ap marié, ou après gon serment, yon toujours faire dire moi juré pour me toujours supporter ou dans bon qu'on a mauvais moment. Eh bien ça que ouais moun a fait là, you relate a vow. It's a vow. So I can say I vow to love you forever. I vow to love you forever. Moi juré pour moi toujours aimer pour tout le temps, right? To vow, c'est ça relate jurer ou bien nous relate sermenter. Ou prend un engagement. And the next one, we have the word deny. The word is
Deny.
deny. Deny. What does that mean exactly? Here, as you can see it in Kreyòl, we say nier. Don't parler de nier un bagay. Qu'est-ce qui passe? C'est dou qu'on pas reconnaître bagay ça, ou du moins bagay ça li pa pou ou pa konnen de li. That means you have no connection with that thing. If you say you have no connection with that thing or something doesn't belong to you, you deny it. Or if you deny something, it could mean you say that it is not true. So it's bagay pa vrai, you just deny it. Like you can deny the truth, or you can deny someone or something. Par exemple, on dit ou son moun qui pas fier de koto sorti. Et pour mon cas, you are Haitian. Say no, I'm not Haitian. Ou dit non, m'pa haïtien. Pendant ce temps, en réalité, c'est haïtien. Now you just deny the truth. You deny your nationality. And the next, we have refuse. The word is pronounced like
Refuse.
refuse, refuse. As you can see it here, we say refuser. The word refuse and the word reject almost have the same meaning. You presque gen même sens, you gen presque gen même signification. If you refuse an offer or something that is offered to you, that means you don't accept it. On bagay que y a pour offrir, on bagay ta ba ou et puis ou refuser, ou dit ah, m'pa besoin, you don't want it, you don't accept it, you can say you refuse it. And the number 7, we have the word cautious.
Cautious.
Here, this word is a little bit strange. We say cautious. The first syllable is pronounced like ka, 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 and here we have shes. We say cautious. What does that mean exactly here? As you can see it, we say prudent. The French would say prudent. So when you say that somebody is cautious, what does that mean exactly? If you are cautious, that means you always act or behave carefully in order to avoid danger. Someone qui toujours soit agi ou bien comporter d'une façon qui très véatif afin que le pas en danger. Pour éviter danger, mon ça obligé agir en façon très véatif. You say you are cautious. And the last one, we have the word aggressive. This is
Aggressive.
aggressive. Aggressive. What does that mean exactly? If somebody is aggressive, as you can see it here in Creole, you would say Français a toujours dit agressif. So if somebody is aggressive, that person is always ready to fight, to attack, or to argue with people. Someone qui toujours prêt pour lui soit bataille, soit pour bay coup, ou bien pour la jouer à monde faire gros discussion avant just because that person is aggressive. Par exemple, pour quelqu'un doit jouer un petit football en nèg un match amical, quelqu'un doit par exemple on dit tribou bali, ça fait fâcher et puis il a joué mal. Haïtien qu'on dit ah monsieur Gosso en pile, monsieur a joué bourrique, OK? He's aggressive. Ou capable agressif soit physiquement ou capable agressif avec mots qui sortent dans bouche ou gain parole ou dit moun la déranger ou offenser moun, alright? Stop being aggressive, guys. Be polite, don't be so aggressive. And as always, before leaving, I would like you to repeat the words with me in order to master them. Here we have the word rebel, rebel, rebel. And the second we have squander, squander, squander. Third, we have reject. The word is reject. The number 4, we have vow, vow, vow. And the number 5, we have deny. The word is deny, deny. And the next we have refuse, refuse, refuse. Before the last, we have cautious. Okay, pay attention to the way I say it. I say cautious, cautious. And the last one, we have aggressive, aggressive. And I hope you learned these words very well with me, and I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget, we love you so much, and you have to give it back to us. Like the video, share it with somebody, and subscribe if you haven't done it before.